23 Instagrammers to follow for organization inspiration. This feed is all about maximizing every square inch of space. After combing through the posts, you'll start considering previously untapped areas in your home, e.g. the sliver of space between your bed and the floor, as new territories to conquer. The page features countless ideas for making the most out of any space, big or small, all in the name of making clutter-free life a reality. The very name of this account is an ode to obsessiveness, and you can see that obsessive spirit in practice from image to image. Featuring color-coordinated bookshelves, perfectly curated pantries, super tidy closets, and more, this account screams organize, create, design. It's hard to organize any space without at least thinking about the Container Store. The Container Store's Instagram is a hub of hacks and solutions for making your home the most organized it can be. Plus, their before and afters will make you want to document your own tidying journey, or at least get started on it ASAP. If you're one to hold on to stuff you don't necessarily need, let the swoon-worthy minimalism of this account help you let go of the superfluous items crowding your life. The images here are all an homage to pared-back living, designed to encourage you to reduce your belongings so you can spend more time exhaling, and less time stressing. One scroll through this Instagram feed and it'll be tough not to drop everything and start organizing. With its candy-colored aesthetic, pretty handwritten labels, and creative vibe, it's a must-visit account for regular organizational inspo. This account is all about realistic organizing. It's full of beautiful imagery and organization tactics that you can easily implement in your own home. From closets to pantries, Allie knows more than a thing or two about maximizing spaces, and you'll be ready to reorganize yours after checking out her feed. Sometimes, our spaces need a little healing, and this account is perfect for just that. The beautiful minimalist vibe of this feed will motivate you to clear the chaos out of your own space and make room for more peace in your daily life. If you've ever spent literal hours looking for that elusive shoe in the back of your closet or the dress you swear you picked up from the cleaners just last week, you understand the importance of maintaining a neat closet. But you also know that it takes effort to keep things tidy. This account blends stunning imagery with some very practical advice that will help you optimize every room in your house. This stylish account is full of smart, efficient organization ideas, tips, and tricks. Just look at that perfect pantry. With uniform containers for food storage, labels, and lazy Susans to maximize every nook and cranny, your cluttered pantry will soon become a relic of the past. Talk about fridge goals, basic and minimalistic, just what this account is all about. After all, keeping a tidy home doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, the more streamlined, the better. There's beauty in simplicity, and this page demonstrates just that. If you're seeking to inject your home with a dose of cheer, this account is the place for you. Apply what you learn from its rainbow-infused loveliness to turn your own home into a clean, colorful dreamscape. It's virtually impossible to compile a list of organization-themed Instagram accounts without a nod to Marie Kondo, author of The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Kondo's widely embraced, does it spark joy, tidying method is as simple as it is satisfying. You'll find yourself breathing a sigh of relief just from scrolling through her feed. A clean look doesn't have to mean plain and boring. Just check out these plastic organizing trays that have been dressed up with gold lining for pizzazz. This account is rife with ideas just like this to make your home organized, smart, and stylish all at once. As the name suggests, this account is all about making space in your place. Sometimes, we just need to work with what we've got, and this page is a testament to organizing in a way that makes sense for your lifestyle and your needs. With beautiful imagery of optimized spaces, this account will inspire you to tackle your own home. This account is amazing for inspiration as well as organizational how-tos. Not only is it full of beautiful photos, just look at that closet. Rachel has informative graphics with organizing tips to help make tidying easier. You can't look at this page and not immediately want to organize your entire house. With airy photos of an admirably organized space, you can't help but feel a little calmer simply by looking at Ria's account. We have to say her label game is on point, too. She's all about streamlining daily processes and looking at organization as a learned skill. Her no-nonsense approach to organizing is easy to put into practice in your own life. Designating a spot for medications, band-aids, and other medical supplies isn't something too many people think of. But that's just the type of next-level organizing you'll find tucked within this account, which is a trove of smart organizing hacks. Simple, clean, and organized is the name of the game on this Instagram account. This feed is marked by chic styling and simple solutions to help you get your home in order stat. Magazine holders for food storage? Totally genius, functional, and gorgeous. The Home Sort is a sister-run organizational hub for all things organization, design, and tidying. Their creative approach to organizing will help you see the multi-use functions of items you probably already own to help you get your life in order efficiently. A closet doesn't have to be a dark space where you throw all of your stuff at the end of the day. This bright and colorful closet is proof. Quarterly is a fantastic page for before and afters. One glance and you'll realize everything your home is capable of becoming. The point of organizing is to create more breathing room and to make your life simpler. This Instagram is an ode to that mantra, with stunning images of minimalist spaces and handy tricks, such as this Find a Home basket to help make daily living more peaceful, beautiful, and functional. Have you ever seen such a satisfying image of folded clothes? Neither have we. This page shares tips and tricks, some borrowed from tidying Queen Marie Kondo, to help you get your own space in tip-top shape. This account features tons of DIY hacks and tricks, too, so you really can't go wrong. Looking for motivation to transform your space into a glorious, orderly refuge? This feed is your dream come true. From closets to bathrooms, every space featured is arranged to perfection and also photographed perfectly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.